In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to add text in Figma. Now, the first thing you want to do is load up your project on Figma. As you can see, for this example, I have a blank canvas. So from here, head up to the top left corner of the screen and look for the T icon right here. Press it and then click anywhere on the screen. And this will toggle the texting feature. And in this case, you can now type in your text. Once you type the text, you will see on the right hand side a new menu is going to pop up. So from here you can basically change your font, you can change the thickness of the text, you can change the alignment of the text, the line spacing or the gap between the text or the letters. And yeah, alternatively, for a shortcut, when it comes to adding text, all you have to do is press the T button on the keyboard, and this is going to toggle the text feature. So just like that, adding text is incredibly easy once you get the hang of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer.